Located near Japan's iconic Mount Fuji, Gotemba Premium Outlets is a vast shopping center boasting more than 200 shops. These range from high-end luxury and designer brands to well-known Japanese labels. The mall also provides a host of dining and entertainment choices. It is a favorite place to shop for both residents and visitors. So nag-check kami dito sa mga branded, guys. Most of the brandeds here are 50% off, 80% off. And so check it dito, guys. Maganda dito. Right now tapos kami sa mga branded stores. Just gotta go to the Pokemon store. Parang wala pang paligo si Pikachu. Hala, si Mama, ito kaya.
Pero tipan ko.
Munsi po yung kono. It's not love. Simple lang talaga yung design dito sa mall na to, as in straight to the point. Per pwesto, per store, laid back yung style, pero ang ganda simple lang talaga.